Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Farmington ceiling fan in white. This fan is from June 2009, and this was Home Depot's builder grade fan. This fan actually replaced the Hampton Bay Quick Connect, and they sold this one, I think, up until, I'd say about 3 years ago. They discontinued the white one in the stores, and now they only sell the brown one. But anyway, these aren't really huge childhood fans of mine. I just saw them a lot. My aunt, she replaced a Hampton Bay Jericho in her kitchen with one of these. And actually a bowling alley near my house replaced, I'd say about 20 to 25 Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Pluses with the neon light kits, and they replaced it with these. So the bowling alley has, I think, 25 of these with the old neon light kits from the Camerons. But that's really about it. They're really not huge childhood fans for me. But yeah, so short on low. I got this with those two Harbor Breeze Caleras that I got. This one came with a Calera light kit on it, so it obviously replaced one, but I took that off since it wasn't original. Oh yeah, and my middle school had two of these. Completely forgot about that. I had them in the kitchen area. They're not bad fans. I remember these. I think the lowest they sold for was $39.99. I believe I still have a Home Depot ad that has them, but now they're up in the 50s. This one has some bearing noise, and when I got it, the capacitor was completely shot, so I had to replace that. It's not doing a terrible job. Here's medium. Has a slight hum to it, but that's normal for these Hampton Bays. And here's high. It's gonna wobble just a little bit. Some of the blades are bent. It's not doing a terrible job. These blades do tend to flex very easily. That's normal for the newer fans. And the tag is up there. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.